Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook slow cooker beef stew. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth process. You will need about 2 pounds of beef stew meat, cut into 1-inch pieces. Chop 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 stalks of celery. Also, measure 2 cups of beef broth, 1 can of diced tomatoes, and 1/2 cup of red wine. Mince 2 cloves of garlic and prepare your favorite herbs. Begin by browning your beef stew meat in a skillet over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. This step is crucial as it locks in the rich, savory flavors. Once nicely browned, transfer the beef directly into your slow cooker. Next, add the chopped onion, carrots, celery, minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Finally, pour in the 2 cups of beef broth, 1/2 cup of red wine, and the can of diced tomatoes. Give it a gentle stir. Now, cover your slow cooker and set it to the low setting for 8 hours. Alternatively, if you are in more of a hurry, you can cook it on high for 4 hours. Resist the urge to lift the lid, as this releases valuable heat and slows down the cooking process. During the last hour, carefully add 2 cups of quartered potatoes and 1 cup of frozen peas. These will cook through perfectly as the stew finishes. To achieve that perfect, hearty stew consistency, mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water. Stir this slurry into the simmering stew, then continue cooking for about 15 more minutes until it thickens beautifully. Taste the stew and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed to enhance the flavors. Serve your delicious, warm beef stew with some crusty bread for dipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.